everyone, welcome to Crypto Tech Insider, your go-to channel for breaking down crypto, blockchain, and cutting-edge tech. I'm Subhan, and today we're tackling the big question, what is blockchain? Whether you're a crypto newbie or a tech enthusiast, stick around. This video is for you. Let's dive in. Imagine a digital notebook that everyone in the world can see, but no one can erase or cheat. That's blockchain. It's a decentralized ledger that records transactions across thousands of computers. Once data is added, it's locked in a block and chained to previous blocks. Forever. No banks, no middlemen, just pure transparency. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's revolutionizing industries. Crypto, secure, peer-to-peer money transfers. Supply chains, tracking products from farm to table. Digital art, proving ownership with NFTs. And guess what? Even voting systems in healthcare are adopting blockchain. The future is decentralized. Let's break it down in 3 steps. You send crypto, request a transaction, e.g., sending Bitcoin. Miners verify, computers worldwide solve complex puzzles to confirm it's legit. Block added, the transaction joins the chain, permanent and unchangeable. No hackers, no fraud. Just math and code keeping things safe. Let's make this real. Here's a $10,000 Ethereum transaction on Etherscan. See how it's recorded publicly? Anyone can track it, but no one can alter it. That's the power of blockchain. Blockchain isn't just a buzzword. It's the backbone of Web3, AI, and the future internet. By understanding it, you're unlocking financial freedom. No banks needed. Career opportunities in crypto and tech. Ownership of your digital life. And hey, it's kinda cool to say you get blockchain, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell.